If you want to sharpen an image in Photoshop in a clean, professional way, then this high-pass method is one of the best techniques to learn. It gives you excellent edge control, helps bring out detail, and avoids over-sharpening smooth areas like skin, clouds, and backgrounds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can sharpen your photos fast and safely. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your image in Photoshop and make sure the layer you want to sharpen is selected. Before making any changes, duplicate that layer. On Windows, press Ctrl+J. On Mac, press Command+J. Duplicating the layer is important because it lets you sharpen non-destructively, so if you want to reduce the effect later, you can do that easily without damaging the original image. Now that you have the duplicate layer on top, click to make sure that top layer is active. Next, go up to the top menu and choose Filter, then Other, and then High Pass. This is where the magic starts. When the high pass filter opens, your image will temporarily turn into a grey-looking version with a faint edge outlines. Don't worry, that is completely normal. What you are seeing here are the details and edges that Photoshop is preparing to sharpen. The next step is the most important one, adjusting the radius slider. The radius controls how wide the sharpening effect will be. For most images, a value somewhere between 1.5 and 3.0 pixels works really well. The goal is to see thin, clean outlines of the details, not heavy halos and not color. If you push the radius too high, the image can start to look harsh or unnatural. So take a moment here and move the slider slowly until the edges look crisp but still realistic. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK. At this point, your image will still look grey and flat, but that is because the sharpening hasn't been blended back into the original photo yet. To fix that, go to the Layers panel and find the Blend Mode drop-down, which usually says Normal. Click it and change it to Overlay. Overlay gives a stronger sharpening effect and is great when you want the details to really pop. If the effect looks too intense, you can also try Soft Light, which gives a more subtle, natural result. Soft Light is often a great choice for portraits or images where you want sharpening without making the photo look over-processed. As soon as you switch the blend mode, the grey disappears and the sharpened detail blends into your original image. You should immediately notice cleaner edges, better texture, and more definition across the photo. If needed, you can lower the opacity of the high pass layer to fine-tune the strength of the sharpening. That gives you even more control and helps you avoid making the image look too sharp. This method is especially useful for portraits, product photos, and any image where you want precision. It sharpens detail without affecting the smooth, flat areas too much, which is why so many professionals use it. And because you applied it on a separate layer, you can always go back and adjust the effect later. So let's quickly recap. Duplicate the layer, apply filter, other, high pass, choose a radius between 1.5 and 3.0 pixels, then change the blend mode to overlay or soft light. That's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to sharpen an image in Photoshop with one of the cleanest and most reliable methods available. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.